Hello and welcome to Trade Pro Labs. Today we are at AIBC Malta and we've got two amazing guys with us today. I'm going to let them introduce themselves and they're coming from coinstar.com. They're going to tell you a little bit about what they're doing, their names, their background, what they've been doing in the crypto space, how did they get into it, and give them some love, guys. So, first of all, we've got James. James, you'd like to introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about your background, how you got into crypto, and what is Coinstar.
Hi, I'm James. I'm a BD global head of BD in Coinstore. So my background was actually from the traditional finance. Was in the bank for 12 years, and I realized that actually the DeFi space is getting bigger and bigger, and I feel that it is highly likely to be the future of the finance. So that's why I took the risk to actually come in, and I definitely enjoy it. So I think indeed this is actually the right move for us. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. And tell me a little bit about Coinstar. What is Coinstar?
Coinstore is actually a centralized exchange based from Southeast Asia. We are actually very much focused on crypto projects to help them to grow. We will promote for them, and in the process, of course, we are also very much into education. We would like to actually help more Web2 users actually understand both the benefits and the dangers of actually investing into in the crypto projects. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. And where do you see yourselves right now, and how do you see yourselves growing in the space?
Okay, well, from where we are now, after 1.5 years, we are actually averagely ranking between 16 to 35 in CoinGecko. I guess for a 1.5 year exchange, we are growing quite fast. We have about 90 BDs and 150 employees around the world, covering most of all the continents. So I think we are growing very healthily, especially in this bear market. I feel that as long as we are continue to make partnership, going to every expo that we have a chance to go, we will be able to interact with more people and onboard more projects and customer. So I think in 1 year's time, we should be constantly in the range of top 20. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. And also with us today, we've got one of your team members. You want to introduce him and tell us what his role is in the company?
Taher is actually one of the earlier employees that on board on us. He's actually he grew very fast. He's based in Europe, London, and he's our Europe regional manager at the moment. So basically, the show for Malta and the previous London 2049, Token 2049 is his show. So I'm here to actually work with him on this part. Yeah, he's a very good person. Yeah, you want to interview him.
Amazing, amazing. Tahir, come in.
How you
So,
doing?
Tahir,
Yes.
how are you doing? Tell us a little bit about yourself, your background, and obviously some good words from James here. So, tell us exactly what you do and what's your background in the space.
Yeah, so my background, I'm an engineering background actually, but I've been in sales and development for a long time. And actually, I called James, I messaged him, I was like, oh, I see you're looking for someone. And we had a good call on the phone, and things moved really fast, within days, which was fantastic. Um, so now I look after the team in Europe and overlooking in terms of project-wise to list all over the world, trying to grow the area in Europe and more in the West because we're quite big in Asia, but we want to really increase the user engagement, increase the project listing more in this area, on the America side, Latin America, Europe areas, which will grow our base massively. So Coinstore is amazing at the moment, so we're doing really well, really well.
Amazing. I love that the mass adoption that's happening right now in the world, and you guys being a centralized exchange, the opportunity and potential in Europe is massive, leave alone the rest of the world. There's a lot of potential and a lot of opportunity because centralized exchanges makes it more accessible for European market because of regulations, etc. It's very important right now. So I think you guys are doing an amazing job. You're all right in the forefront. It's still early days. We're still at the beginning of this. Everybody thinks that crypto is at the end or volatile, etc. We're in the early days of this. So there's so much more of mass adoption that's going to happen. And if you're here right now, you know that there's going to be massive potential in the space as well. There's enough for everybody to enjoy and actually adopt themselves and grow as well.
One
Um,
thing I'd like to add is CoinStore is that really makes it successful is the people. So, like James and I, were quite traditional businessmen. We like to come in front of people. That's why we come to expos to meet people face to face. It adds value to the business that we bring and the relationships that we develop. So that's one thing that we believe as exchanges. Many exchanges don't do that. We've done 40 odd countries this year, and we're going to do a lot more going forward. So meet everyone, as many people as we can, and put a stamp on the ground to say we're here. We're going to be here for a long time.
Amazing, amazing. And anything you'd like to close with?
Mm, I think that this is early days. A lot of people may not hear about CoinStore, but we feel that as long as we are persistent, we are consistent, and to keep ourselves profitable, we will be there to be. We will definitely be sustainable, and I will see you guys again maybe in many years to come. Yeah, thank you.
Amazing, amazing. Anything you'd like to close with?
Um, Egan's a great guy, so thank you very much.
Amazing, guys. Everybody go to CoinStore. You need to go sign up, trade, invest. All you startups that's with me, CoinStar is the place, guys. Amazing interview. Thank you,
so
guys.
much.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much,
Thank you, bro.
Tahir. Thank you so much.